Hi campers, this is Logan Gregor at Country Camper, and I'm currently standing outside of the all-new Coachmen Catalina that sports the new exterior graphics. To my right, I've got the older Coachmen Catalina so you can physically see the differences. Quickly wanted to show you some of the updates that Coachmen Catalina is going to be offering in their Legacy Edition in the year ahead. And as you know, we are a Coachmen dealer at both our Vermont location and our New Hampshire location. So let's get right into this. Right off the front here, you can see this really nice graphics package. It's cutting edge. They brought the black down the front cap, and it's just a nice, fresh look for Catalina. So a nice feature that Coachmen Catalina has introduced on their Legacy series is an easier battery disconnect button, which is featured up here off the coach. A lot of times on other coaches in the segment, they're going to be down here. Sometimes they won't even have an easy battery disconnect. So you've got that right there. It's going to be a really nice feature. As you can see right here on this unobstructed pass-through, Catalina has added magnetic door latches. This is a huge upgrade in the traditional built camper segment because most will use the old clasp holders here, which honestly are cheap. They break a lot, and so these doors lose functionality. With these new magnetic locks, it's going to be really nice for you at your campsite. As we move to the back of the coach, one of the biggest improvements that Catalina has made is adding a cargo rack. So this system is from Lippert. It's the tailgate storage system. This you remove these pins here, and you're going to get a 200-pound carrying capacity off the back here. As you can note, you still got your spare tire, but then you can bring coolers, bikes, a lot of other goodies that you'd want to bring with you while you're out camping. Another hidden feature that's now been added near the rear of these Legacy Editions is a quick port connect for your LP. So now you've got this if you've got any of your outside kitchens. For any of the models that don't, most people are putting together their own outside kitchens with tables and fridges and grills and stuff. So now you've got that port right there, which is a really nice feature. Also, when you're going to be entertaining your guests on the exterior of your Legacy Edition Catalina, they now have the multicolored Carefree awning light system. So these are LED lights that you can change to different colors. It's going to make a really cool setting at your campsite. And then they've also paired this up with the JBL premium sound system, which is just totally upgraded in this segment of trailers. You know, most people are using some marine grade, really cheap speakers. Catalina didn't skimp, they added the JBL premium sound. It's also independently controlled too, so you can, depending on if you're in the inside, the exterior of your coach, you're going to have different setups for sound. As we go in, they have gone to a designer Carefree flooring. It's a slightly different linoleum floor for Catalina, definitely an upgrade. Catalina has also in the Legacy Edition added a 12-volt fan, as well as a 12-volt refrigerator that comes in at 10 cubic foot. So you've got a really, you've got an upgraded refrigerator system as well as a fan system. And then another feature, it's not on this particular unit, but it will be coming on other Legacy Editions, is a solar panel with a solar controller inside the coach. That's going to be really for those folks that are getting off grid a little bit. That's going to be awesome when running your 12-volt refrigerator and a 12-volt fan in your central living spot. And then last but not least, and we can't forget about this awesome feature, is this flat screen TV with a built-in soundbar. So you're going to have, matching up with that JBL sound system, you are going to have an awesome soundbar with more premium sound. So these are just a few of the many updates that you're going to see in the Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition. And if you like the content that you've seen here today, please like, comment, and subscribe below. We'll have more in-depth walkthrough videos coming. Thank you so much for watching.